Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so say obi a wo follow me channel bi na mama wati ase say this year oyo obi a woni eda form na uhu ensem a ekoso ewo Ghana obehu ni say this year a lot of people have been attacking Jerry John Rawlings enyama bi a wo ye ewo ne past mu obi a ne nida form bi ano obehu say this year there Rawlings wo ho a Twitter na wa share say wo trendy na trese nkrofo aba ka ebia womo papanom de Rawlings de yo mo nkrofo aba be ka womo nananom de Rawlings de yo mo obo nse kweku ba konso wa ba be ka story very chilling story wo kokroko nini na no ase in a way no egu Rawlings hu fi say in the past no would di nkrofo ewu this year there sa stories no aba abonten bebre me mamu ti ase say NDC penyi bi nso at Tamil's time no so ye can NDC mpanyifo pa Professor Kwame Ahoy ono so atro book bi na the book ne title Working with Rawlings na book ni mu no omo awo mo read ehu ne say papa na eka nsem bi ewo book ni mu a ase odegu Rawlings hu fin say danagbodapi ababonten danagbodapi ye NDC ni penyi pan kese pa wono so ababonten be ka say nsem a Professor Kwame Ahoy atro no ensem a ensem fata ensem ya watrafa Rawlings no ensem fata me sanso the one story bia Professor Kwame Ahoy wotro ye ewo book ni mo say opanyi bia na efe ni bede na wo NDC mu no Rawlings ekohia no ma trese Rawlings ene na ewo ntokwa ana ene na ewo asem enti Rawlings eso serve ne hwewa mu emia ya ma papa no nanko wo yewu sansem ni na no Professor Kwame Ahoy atro ewo book ni no. Now, Rawlings officially ababonten at the response aba. Na asemwa Rawlings aka ne tintin ene ne tietie mu ne se wobenya mbre pa na wo mo sei ne din ye kan nsem afa ne ho sei ne din no obenya mbre amomo na wonya mbre mo a wo anka so mbehu se noko yeje aha nkeni be se noko yeje ubizam se noko yeje ne ntiase ne se ya mentiase because mentin kran. But nini nemu no Rawlings didn't go directly to respond to the issue. Say he went on Otumfuo or posted a picture with himself and Otumfuo. I don't know whether it is a recent picture because he named Rawlings in the recent look say nitiri a foot na bodu a foot. But in this picture you see say nini na enche them foot to say recently into the meaning say a old picture of Otumfuo or new Otumfuo and I will post here and answer them. But let's read what Rawlings said. Was say Otumfuo deserves commendation. So that's the headline. Into what headline the can say who read out who say we adia Rawlings can to say what they directed at womo egu ni hu fi no. Now you read was say I want to take the opportunity to congratulate the Asantehene for the steps he has taken to seriously protect the environment and also to thank him for tampering justice with mercy on Nana Bantamahene. We each have to learn to take a cue from the Asantehene and be bold and audacious in our defense of the environment, especially from thieves and crooks who with impunity can collect parcels of land anywhere, anyhow, and do as they wish against the public good and the sanctity of nature. It is what baby Rawlings or share say what they bana uyo bia wutumi read ahead and now you be able to me unze Rawlings is coming from an angle. Now angle no Bantamahene sense mo esi ye Bantamahene ekofa ensase bia no osi stores so Asantehene de ebufuo eden the nine esi from the Rawlings is coming from that angle and Rawlings they kan ho say omo a womo aye omo adwen say womo de omo nsa ebeto Ghana nsase so ananyama so agege no utumi hu ne say Rawlings kan say san crofo no womo ye crofo bia eni kwan say so omo so nti if you are read okay I don't want to conclude but who read about who they said that be as a response now Rawlings dey bano in a way indirectly or kasa in a way say say Professor Kwame Ahoy no na ebia no ye bibisa and I'm telling you say I am not saying say that is what Rawlings is saying because directly he didn't say it but if you see the angle he's coming from someone can hurriedly conclude say ebia Professor Kwame Ahoy ebia no yes ade no enema wone Rollins intem ebetete. Now, Rollins the child also said, let me also express my gratitude to Togbi Afede, the 14th, President of the National House of Chiefs, for taking the initiative to lead a delegation of the Volta Region House of Chiefs to the border areas in the region to ascertain things for themselves. Some of the unsightly things we see on the internet do not speak well of us locally and internationally. Now, ena ensemna eshasie was say, much as I find it tiring and tedious to be engaging in self-defense when I have given my all these years, I will soon deal with the callous agenda of Baal from the likes of Kwame Ahoy, who are desperately seeking to control, or see, who are desperately seeking control of the NDC party. So you see what I was talking about. Inti Rollins Shahsie no na wo kasa from Bantamahene ne angle. And a Rollins Shahsie so kasa wo mo aye o mo adwen se wo mo de asase ya na nyama enyo wo mo de no. Wo mo de tumi wo mo tumi ebeje no. Eni kwan se yeso so sankrofo ne so. And then se wo be kaya edu on me trail se uye obi a odwen hwa kan a obehu ne se daabi as a Rollins or person wo ma allegation bi fa Professor Kwame Ahoy. But in this particular paragraph he stated was say obenyambre pa no Rollins wo de ne kra ene ne bibia to wa magana obenyambre pa enche he will deal with the likes of Kwame Ahoy who are desperately seeking control of the NDC party. That just say Kwame Ahoy no wo pese wo ya gi NDC party no ebo ne boso. And so you see the angle where he started from the parcel of land mo je nyama ebo mo boso no. Ati ase. So here it makes it a bit clear his issue with Professor Kwame Ahoy was that the NDC could, should, and has survived on the authority of the word, but if care is not taken, it will collapse and drown, as has been happening on the word of those in authority. I say NDC so one hwe ya ebegu ne tintini ni tietia no no ne tintini ni tietia no no say ohwa senya na NDC ejina NDC wo rules bi wo stands bi na mu jina so senya e survive ye no ende nkrofo bi aba NDC mu no wo mo pese wo mo gi NDC bo wo mo boso no ya nhwe ni ya wo mo begu NDC no. And you know, I hope that at this point in time you are all understanding where Rollins is coming from. Now, the last statement I will make here, me person me reading the year na ye ni ayetias here because e mo dru. So what fan on the surface e bia na we hu the Rollins person oka. But say the NDC could, should, and has survived on the authority of the word, but if care is not taken, it will collapse and drown, as has been happening on the word of those in authority. Wasi wo mo anhwe ye a NDC no ebegu omo anhwe ye ebegu na wakase wo mo anhwe ye ebegu no enese wo kan in the future say bia in the future ebegu o wasi wo mo anhwe ye ebegu te sesenia ekosoa ana egusoa eye no. That is the Rollins Besot saying indirectly no NDC no eguba. That's the meaning of the statement. Who we there? I say if care is not taken, it will collapse and drown, as has been happening. One can say it will collapse and drown and no try no or say as has been happening. That I say NDC egu eba on the word of those in authority. Not just say one more and then NDC no ekra wo munsem no, and then you don't need to be a magician to know say Rollins is not having a grip on his own NDC anymore. Or no any party not yet, but no party now or no no. He doesn't make decisions in the party anymore. He is not having that grip in the party anymore. It was say authorities stand there. Womukra NDC muno. Womu egu NDC. You see how Rollins wo hyase wo respond no wo di free otumfo say tutu ho e de be share bantama hene nsem ni mu esan so e de be share togbe afede e na afei directly wo de be share kwame na ato ahoy e de be blast NDC mpenyifo no because osusu say wo mu ni na wo mu ka ho bi e na trese ya tro book ya ye de say ni din no hu bebi a Rollins wo de fire ase wo ba ase wo mba na trese wo de abebom say pim tie for no mo try mo adu on comment box ni mo me da say